I'm going to do a camera calibration on the C23. It's going to be identical to the E90. First thing we need to do is turn on the aircraft, and as soon as it powers up and the Wi-Fi starts transmitting, then it should show up in our list of available Wi-Fis. So we'll wait for it here to show up. Okay, the C23 is listed, so we'll select it. Select connect, and I'm going to uncheck connect automatically. We'll connect to the camera. It's going to ask for the password. That's going to be 1234567890. Okay, the camera is connected. So now we'll open the gimbal software. Say yes, we want to launch the software. To connect the camera to the software, we need to connect on UDP. We'll see over on the left a bunch of camera or gimbal disconnect messages. You could ignore those, but just wait for a minute. Okay, to confirm that the camera is connected to the software, we'll press restart on the menu and watch the camera, and it restarts. So if the camera restarts, you know you're connected to the software. We'll give it a minute, and it's rebooted. We're going to select pre-front to verify that the yaw encoder and motor are installed correctly. So we'll press pre-front, watch the camera, and on our screen it says pre-front calibration succeeded. So the next one we're going to select is going to be the yaw encoder. That will take a few minutes. The camera is going to rotate. And you'll notice in the right pane, you'll see some numbers pop up. And it says encode calibration success. Next one is zero phase. Again, you'll see lots of numbers for pitch, roll, and yaw. It appears to be complete. This calibration does not show you that it's completed. Now I'll do the accelerometer calibration. Okay, it came back to level and is pointed forward, and it says accelerometer calibration success. The next one is a front calibration. For that one, we're going to hold the camera. We'll try and hold it level and toward the front. And the instruction here is to move the yaw motor to the front and wait 3 seconds. And it appears that it completed. You notice the yaw says 160.6. If the camera does not point forward to begin with, if it's off to the left or right, when you press front calibration, you need to grab the camera and point it to the front. And you may have to overcorrect a little bit after you press front calibration. And that should bring the camera back to pointing directly forward. We'll click on machine. Pressing machine is doing a slow yaw movement. After yaw cogging is displayed, the calibration is complete. To test and make sure that the camera faces forward and is level, press restart again. That will be the last step. Okay, the camera restarted. It's pointed forward. It looks level. So our calibration is complete. This is firmware 784. Currently 822 does not work with the software for the camera alignment. We'll select disconnect on the UDP window. And we are finished. The software closes, and we'll turn the aircraft off.